Hello there, this is Gurdeep Singh and you are welcome to this video tutorial where you will be learning about our new product called Vestamox CV. Vestamox CV will be available in two forms. One is in the tablet form and second in a dry syrup. Vestamox CV tablets will contain Amoxycillin 500 mg with Clavulanic Acid 125 mg, whereas Vestamox CV dry syrup will contain 200 mg of amoxicillin with 28.5 mg of clavulanic acid in a constituted form per 5 ml. Vestamox CV is an antibacterial to kill or inhibit the growth of resistant bacterial infections in our body. We have to learn first of all what exactly bacterial infections are. Our body is surrounded by lots of microorganisms which we cannot see from our naked eyes. These microorganisms have the capability of infecting us, of causing a disease within us, and because of which our body can get infected. There are various types of microorganisms that are around and within us, and those are fungus, virus, bacteria, or protozoa. The most common infection that is found in our human body is mainly bacterial, and that is why you will see that most of the market contains anti-microbials which are mainly antibacterials. Vestamox CV contains amoxicillin with clavulanic acid that fights resistant bacterial infections, and we will see what actually resistant bacterial infection is. First of all, let us see what a bacterial infection is. Bacteria that infects our body is available in the environment in various forms and shapes. This bacteria is mainly classified into two groups. One is gram-positive and the second is gram-negative. Both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria have got the capability of infecting human body. And when the bacterial infections invade our body and they causes infection, they are called as pathogens. Vestamox CV destroys or inhibits the growth of such pathogens. Like all living organisms, bacteria is also a living organism. Although bacteria is unicellular, unlike humans which is multicellular. Bacterial resistance is the result of this adaptation, making the bacteria more accustomed to the changes in the environment. Since years we have been using antibiotics or antibacterials to kill bacteria. The bacteria that survived actually learned how to fight this antibacterial. In the process, that bacteria has started developing some chemicals which is called enzymes. And the enzymes that these bacteria has developed against penicillins, which is amoxicillin, that is known as beta-lactamases. These beta-lactamases now are capable of destroying these antibiotics like amoxicillin. And because the antibiotics gets destroyed by these enzymes, they are not able to destroy this sort of bacteria. This condition is known as bacterial resistance. It is very difficult to create a new antibiotic every few months so that we can fight bacterial resistance. And that is the reason why a new chemical was designed called clavulanic acid. Clavulanic acid destroys these enzymes so that amoxicillin can once again start killing this sort of a bacteria. Therefore, clavulanic acid in Vestamox CV is a beta-lactamase inhibitor, and amoxicillin is a beta-lactam antibiotic which further destroys this bacteria. Vestamox CV is a broad-spectrum antibacterial, that is, it covers gram-positive and gram-negative infections. Therefore, Vestamox CV is indicated in wide variety of human infections like upper or lower respiratory tract infections like pneumonia. Vestamox CV is also indicated in otitis media, which is the inflammation of middle ear because of such bacterial infections. Other indications include urinary tract infections, infections that are caused on the skin, which is called skin and soft tissue infections. Pre and post-surgical prophylaxis is another good indication for Vestamox CV. Vestamox CV is very effective in dental infections, and because this is a drug which is considered to be quite safe, it is also used in various gynecological infections as well as pediatric infections, and that is the reason why Vestamox CV is available in a dry syrup form. The adult dose of Vestamox CV 625 mg tablets is 1 tablet twice daily up to 3 to 5 days, and the dose can be increased up to 3 tablets a day. And the pediatric dose for Vestamox CV dry syrup is 25 mg of amoxicillin with 3.6 mg of clavulanic acid per kg body weight in 2 divided doses. And in severe infections, the dose can be increased up to 45 mg of amoxicillin with 6.4 mg of clavulanic acid per kg body weight in 2 divided doses. Dear friends, Vestamox CV is one such product which can be promoted to each and every specialty, and this is one of the most widely prescribed product in the market. Antibacterials are at the top of each and every drug that is being sold in the market. So I'm sure you're going to use this opportunity to sell Vestamox CV as much as possible. This product is going to give you a real boost in your sales. So happy selling, all the best.